how to fix Shopify visual stability. So I'm going to show you two fixes. For the first one, you want to open up your store and then click on settings in the bottom left corner. From here, we will go into apps and sales channels. Sometimes external applications may cause visual stability errors. So what you can do, if you haven't installed any external applications, you will click on the three dots, uninstall them, and then see if that fixes the issue for you. Another thing that you can do is just Google search for enable lazy loading Shopify. Click on the first link that pops up right here. Then scroll down until you see this line of code. Just copy this code like so. Right click, copy. Go back into your store. Go into settings. Oh no, sorry. You will click on online store. Now, once your online store loads, here you will find your current theme. Click on the three dots, then edit code. And you want to paste this line of code between the head section here. So where it says head, I'm going to press on it, press enter, right click, paste, and you just want to save this code. What this is going to do is enable lazy loading, which basically means that it is going to show you a simplified version of the images on your website so it loads faster. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.